So the next one is binomial nomenclature. Okay, so what is binomial nomenclature is the naming of an organism with two names. Okay, for identification we are using that names. No, we are having some separate names for identifying that organism. Likewise, we have for a particular organism we have to put that name organ, name that organ. Okay, so that is that naming organism with two names is said to be binomial nomenclature. Okay, it's a common all over the universe. It is an binomial nomenclature is an universal system of naming organism. Okay, in this system each organism has two names. First one is genus name and second one is species name. Okay, so it is a universal system. Binomial nomenclature is a universal system of naming an organism. Okay, with two names though. Each organism have two names. The first name is its genus name. Okay, the next name is its species name. So this is binomial nomenclature, and so this binomial nomenclature was introduced by that Gaspard Bohin. He only introduced this naming organism with two names in the year 1623, but it was implemented by Carolus Linnaeus in 1753. So Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of modern taxonomy. So this is about binomial nomenclature. So for example, human being means that scientific name of this human being is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. So Homo means it's a genus name, and sapiens means it's a species name. So for the first name, the first letter should be in capital letter, and that genus name all the letters are in small letter. Okay, so for genus name the first letter should be in capital letter, and the species name is in small letter only. So this is the binomial nomenclature, ma'am. So we completed this units. So I will send you that book back exercises soon. So complete that. Okay. So you have one activity ma in for this lesson. So you have to write that scientific name of some organism, which is in book page number 83. That scientific name of some organism given ma 15 organism there. So you have to write that scientific name of this organism in A4 sheet. Okay, so it is in book page number 83. So this is the activity for this lesson. So we completed this unit, that is what is that, basis of classification. So we completed this unit. Soon I will send you that book back answers. So try to complete the classwork as early as possible. Okay, thank you, ma'am.